So my name is Shweta Nair. Nicknames, like my mother calls me Mulu. That's the only nickname I have. And I'm working as talent acquisition manager with Sports Village. Hometown, it is little tricky. Actually, my parents migrated from Kerala long back. So I am born and brought up in Jaipur. My first job was as HR executive only. That was with a consultancy firm in Jaipur. I wanted to become a doctor. I joined Sports Village in August 2019. Got into the office for my interview, like face-to-face interview for Sports Village. That caught my eye, the office, the ambience, and it was all about sports, posters. And with this company will keep me somehow, connected to the game, to sports. So that's how I be here. My first day at work, I was little bit tensed because this was another city. Like I came from Jaipur to Bangalore, and we've heard about the city that people grow here, and it's a huge city. I knew people will be working from different domains, and when I got into the office and I met everybody, it was a great experience. Like everybody welcomed me warmly, and I did not feel like it is a new place that I have come. Everybody, like be it my managers, be it my team members, other team members, everybody came, greeted me, and we all spoke about the organization, why have I joined, and all those things. So it was good. It was really good. Going from the executive role to the lead role, and then within the same year, I guess I was promoted as talent acquisition manager also. So that was, I would say, the high. It was COVID period because that back then we had around 6 members in our team all together, and gradually and slowly, because there were no schools running, there were no sales happening, and there were no hiring in total. So we all had to get into active club at that moment and help each other to sustain and grow. So that was the difficult time, I would say. Everybody, it's like I'm always hopeful. I'm very optimistic. I may get triggered with the situations, or I may get irritated or angry or agitated, but then I believe that whatever hard work we put into something, one or the other way, it will come back to us. So I'm a really hardworking person. I'm very organized, in terms of work or in terms of family life also that I lead. I'm very organized. I have my duty roster ready, what I have to do on a daily basis at home, also at work. So I try and complete all those tasks before I go to bed. So that is what helps me, I would say, to keep pace with the changing environment, or the problems or the issues that we get, or changing as an organization, moving ahead. If I talk about the calls and all that we have these stand-up calls, weekly calls, regional calls, lot of calls are happening. Then we have the 0-hour call. Apart from that, what I do is, I am readily available to my team. Like my team, the team I'm part of, my managers, whenever, like, that is what I think we all follow as, being part of Sports Village and working, and working through different locations. All of us are available. Like if I have to reach out to you, I don't think twice. I just send out a message to you that, sir, I want to speak to you, and you also are available. The same thing we also follow. I also follow as a manager, whenever my team needs me, or, and not only about the profession, not only in the professional front, if they have some issues or they have something to discuss, I'm always available. Like they don't have to think twice to call me or to message me. I keep those relationships active that way. And I would say, other than the team calls and all, I have generic calls with everybody. I check on their, check up on them if they are okay, family is fine and everything. So they also know quite a lot about me. I also know quite a lot about them, other than the work front. So that's how I keep the relationship active. Sports Village with COVID, I would say, to be hopeful again, to be optimistic, and it's like, like whatever we are in a situation currently, it is not permanent. That's what I have learned. We need to think that everything, this also will pass, this shall also pass, and we'll move to the other phase. So that's what I have learned from the organization. You told me that at times we'll have to work smart as well. Hard working is good, we need to put in our efforts, but then you need to work smart also, so that we can take out time for ourselves and other things apart from work. I would say when I got promoted, that was one, because I got two promotions in a year, and the other one was, I guess, when I got that certificate that Abraham and you people shared me with the shield. So it had those personal things also quoted in it. So that was really, I was proud reading that, because I would like to grow again to higher designation, to a higher role. And so I need to learn, I need to understand that as well, so that it becomes a complete circle, complete hiring process. I should be aware of it and I should know how it works. So yeah, I'm like excited about it. If I get an opportunity, I'll surely want to explore that bit as well. Like I've played basketball at national level, so that is something that still amazes me. Like if I see some basketball court or something, and I get to play, that is something that I love. Apart from that, currently what I do is I love painting, sketching, and all that. So I'm very fond of it. I like Chak De India, I like goal. Whatever is like, I'm just listening to what my son wants to listen. So it's like doody doody dum dum, or things like that I'm listening to. I don't have my own playlist, because his playlist is ready. He's like, okay, I want the uncle song, or I want the doody song, so we are listening to it, and that's it. The Tom and Jerry, that's what we are currently watching. So Chinese is what I always like having. Work culture, the support that I have received from all my managers, from the management, I would say. And I am very bad at remembering movie names, but I would say Goal, because it helped me grow, to a certain level from a beginner, because I was able to meet such, lovely people. Including my managers, including the management, everybody, including my team.